So you want to know how to make something happen only once. That's exactly what do once node is for. Now, where are you going to use it? You're going to use it sometimes you only want an action to fire a single time, even if the execution keeps calling it. Now think of it like you can use it in cutscenes, sound effects, or opening a chest because you only want that to happen once. And even if player tries again, that won't happen. So how do you call it? You will just right click and type do once like this, and you will get that pin as you can see here. So for now, let's take event tick because it's keep calling every tick, right? It's very similar to FPS, right? Every frame it will call a tick. So we just connected it to execution pill. Now, generally what happens, it will type the print string again and again and again. But because we have do once node, it won't do the same. So we have print string saying hello. We won't change that because we don't need to. And then from the event begin play, we will drag out and type a delay. And now this is not a tutorial for delay. So I will just keep it very simple. So delay node, it's just for delaying a certain event and we will type it 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, it can just go, it's going to just reset it. Now for some purposes, you just want the do once node is start from closed start from being closed and it will just reset and you can reset whenever you like. Now there are some purposes like you have to complete this task first, then the do once will open, like do the mission 1 first or do the mission 2 first, then it will open. So you can just click it close and it will reset after 5 seconds, but for now we will just keep it off because we want to print and show how it is used. So make sure you just drag the blueprint here because sometimes that's the only issue you will face. So we will click even begin play like this and it just printed hello. Now after 5 seconds of the timer, it will say hello again, right? As you can see, and now we will see that in action here. So I just press play. Okay. So as you can see, the event, yeah, as soon as it got reset, it just printed again. So that's how you can use it. Now you will use the do once node for things like triggering a level intro only once, yeah, and making sure a sound effect doesn't loop or preventing a chest from beginning open repeatedly. It's perfect for one-time actions. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.